He was known to be the creator of the Bow Street Runners, a group of police officers attached to the Bow Street Court and not in uniform, performing criminal investigative functions. A. Henry Fielding, B. John Fielding, C. John Howard, D. Robert Peel. Answer A. Henry Fielding. The founder and chief organizer of the London Metropolitan Police, or the Scotland Yard, which became a famous police organization in the world. A. Henry Fielding, B. John Fielding, C. John Howard, D. Robert Peel. Answer D. Robert Peel. America's most famous private investigator and founder of criminal investigation. A. Alec Nehem, B. Alan Pinkerton, C. Thomas Burns, D. None of this. Answer B. Alan Pinkerton. The first woman detective in the history of criminal investigation. A. Kathleen Jacob, B. Candy Miles, C. Kate Warren, D. Pines Hamilton. Answer C. Kate Warren. A French police clerk who introduced and established the first systematic identification system based on anthropometrical signalment. A. Fox Talbot, B. Thomas Burns, C. Alphonse Vertillon, D. Francis Galton. Answer C. Alphonse Vertillon. An Englishman who published his study on classifying fingerprints. While other scientists were studying fingerprints and their biological nature, he recognized their uniqueness and significance in criminal identification. A. Arthur Conan Doyle, B. Thomas Burns, C. Alphonse Bertillon, D. Francis Galton. Answer D. Francis Galton. An Englishman who published a handbook for examining magistrates in Munich, Germany, and advocated the use of scientific methods in the criminal investigation process. A. Hans Gross, B. Thomas Burns, C. Alphonse Bertillon, D. Francis Galton. Answer A. Hans Gross. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that illegally obtained evidence is inadmissible in state criminal prosecutions in the famous case of A. Miranda versus Arizona, D. Hardy versus Jeff, C. Mapp versus Ohio, D. Dry versus Wet. Answer C. Mapp versus Ohio. As a rule, do not touch, alter, or move anything at the crime scene until the evidence has been processed through notes, sketches, and photographs with proper measurements. This refers to A. The golden rule in investigation, B. The number 1 SOP in investigation, C. The act of note-taking, D. The act of crime scene preservation. Answer A. The golden rule in investigation. The continued accountability of persons handling evidence and having the responsibility of taking care and preserving the evidence from the time it was found until brought to court for preservation is called A. Chain of events, B. Key events, C. Chain of custody of evidence, D. chain of command. Answer C. Chain of custody of evidence.